So this is the last thing you want to have happen. So I know exactly what that feels like to get hit by a car. This is the remains of my bike back in 2009 after an accident which looked exactly like the ones you guys just saw.
Okay, wait a second. Whose bike is this?
Your bike.
Yeah, that's my bike. That would be my old Honda Shadow American Classic Edition, which is no more. But thank God, Mike survived and he's here with us today.
So I know for a fact that riding a motorcycle can be pretty risky, even if you do everything right.
Yeah, isn't that the truth? Well, they tell us, especially when riding on the street, to dress for the slide instead of the ride. But you know what? Sometimes fashion and function don't always meet. But a couple new companies, Mike, have some ideas about how to mix fashion with a little bit of new technology.
Oh geez, what the hell am I looking at?
You are looking at some of these new airbag jeans and airbag pants that come out that make you look nice and thick and protect you while you're riding.
Well, there sure ain't nothing wrong with looking a little thick.
And I agree with that. Now, if you're a Honda fan, you might know that they started researching in airbag technology in the 90s.
Yeah, they started researching the technology in the 90s, but they didn't put it on a motorcycle until 2006, I believe.
Right, this is some footage from 2005 when they unveiled it for production for 2006, exactly.
So to be fair, I have heard about airbag vests.
Right, me too, but this is the first time I've heard about airbag pants. And I got to tell you, when I look at them, they do look kind of silly. Apparently, you're tethered, you put the tether on your bike, and they've got these reusable cans of like carbon dioxide or whatnot. When activated, get pierced and cause the pants to inflate.
Ooh, that looked like it hurt. Can I see that again?
Absolutely. Let's replay.
Nice.
But you see, if they inflate before impact, it seems to me like this is a pretty valid piece of safety equipment. How do you feel about all this? I mean, they look silly.
They look absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah, but when you're in a wreck, fashion and style is not necessarily like, the top priority, but functionality is. And, they kind of remind me, Mike, of those riding pants, not motorcycle riding pants, but those horseback riding pants from like back in the day.
Oh my God, I know what you're talking about.
Aren't those some sweet britches?
Yeah.
So you apparently can go to the website and reserve a pair of these on Mocycle.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's another company, all right, Mocycle, I believe they are a Swiss company, and then another one is a French company called
CX Air Dynamics.
Yeah, your French background, of course you like these guys, right? Now, it seems like this will set you back about 450 euros, 499 euros, depending on which company you go
almost
with.
$500.
Right, yeah. So, riding jeans in the States aren't that cheap either, but, this is an upgrade, I guess most people would argue, if you've got, airbag pants. And look, they both did extensive testing and seem to have a lot of success with the functionality.
So I could see this working, if you're laying your bike down. I believe in the type of accident I had where you're flying over a car's hood and flying over the bars. I don't know how much it would have helped me in my accident, but I could see the potential for these being helpful.
Well, you know what? The way you flew off the bike, I can say that the pants would definitely deploy due to the design of the tether.
For sure.
But the way you had impact, you probably would have needed a vest, an inflatable vest for yours.
Oh, I had a broken pelvis and ribs, and
you would have broken everything.
Yeah, I was messed up. So I don't know. My butt was the only part that didn't hurt.
Well, you know what? I wish you would have had a landing pad like that in your accident.
That would have been nice.
But you guys out there, tell us, what do you think of these inflatable airbag pants? Do any of you guys have a DCT with an airbag? Have you had an accident? Share your experience with us in the comments and what you think about this.
Definitely, let us know.
All right, guys. Well, we'll have to catch you next time. Stay safe out there, whether you have something that inflates or not.